Hi everybody, I just want to make a really quick video. As you can see, I have a bunch of Tabasco peppers that I need to pick. And once I pick these, I am going to try to dehydrate them in my toaster oven air fryer. It does dehydration, and I'm going to try to make my own hot sauce. While I'm here, I am looking down and I see a pimento pepper on the ground. So I'm going to see if that's still good. I thought I had picked the last of them, but let's see. This pimento pepper is perfectly fine. I can put it in the window and it'll get rid of some of the green here, and that will ripen up over the next couple days. That thing's perfect. How cool is this, everybody? I'm in here picking my peppers, and look what I found next to the peppers. Look at that pumpkin. Okay, everybody, check this out. Fresh out of the garden. I have a few Tabasco peppers I'm running a trial on to dehydrate. While I was in there, I did find one more pimento that will finish up in the window. But look at this. These are Carolina Reapers. Those babies are hot. Never grown them before, but I have 4 Carolina Reaper peppers in today's harvest. Look at the color. Look at all that color. You guys all have a great day. Well, trench dug, compost added, beet seeds ready to go in the ground. Stick around. Okay, peeps, here we go. Line is set, so I have a straight edge to go by, and I have mounded the dirt directly over the compost. So let's see what happens. And there she is, everybody. About a 15-foot row of beets. It's still warm, so I'm not sure how well they will germinate. They do like cooler weather, so we're going to see though. Let's give it a try. So this is the 2 8-foot rows where I threw my compost, and I did a short video on it. I was going to tear all this up because I was going to plant my beets here, but as you can see, I have radishes, I have pumpkins, I have zucchini growing like crazy. So I'm going to leave it be and see what I get out of it. This is a surprise to me, so it's like a Christmas come early. So I'll let them get a little bigger, and I'll probably transplant some of them to other areas, and then the other ones I'll just thin out.